Hey everyone, it's Pampered Chef Donna, and I wanted to welcome you to the party and let you know how truly excited I am to be here. I wanted to explain to you, in case you've never been to a virtual party, how this is going to work. So basically, I will start making posts on Monday morning that will end on Friday evening. But I don't know about you guys, I'm all about fun. So I want you guys to really enjoy yourselves, and being that you're here over this weekend, I'll be posting some things then too. So that you don't miss anything, please scroll often, and also go to the top of this group page and click on notifications and set them to all. This way you don't miss all the opportunities that will be here for you to win raffle entries for a prize that I'm going to be giving away at the end of this party. The first opportunity that I'm going to offer you starts right now. It's called the Early Bird Special. And basically what that means is, if you already know what you want to order, go ahead and get that done. Anybody who places an order between now and Monday morning will win an additional entry into that drawing at the end of the party. Don't forget, any orders of $80 or more will automatically get a guest special that will be put into your order. Lastly, I'll be putting interactive games in there. The more you guys participate, the more you guys will have opportunities to win extra entries. If at any time you feel that you would also like to host a party, please let me know. Not only is it something that can be great for you and your friends, especially as a distraction during this pandemic, but it also helps your current host out. Your host will have an opportunity to get a 50% off coupon to use at your own party. So with that said, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be here available. If you have any questions, or if there's any products or recipes that you would like to see, please let me know, and I'll do my best to do that for you. So you guys have a good week, and I will see you on Monday.